put the head together myself. Oh, I need a little oil. The pin bushing's tight, I gotta hone it. So I have to do it by hand. I know what condition the crank's in, it came out of the box, that's all I know. We're assuming the crank's halfway decent, but we don't know. Bearings in the way. Not too bad. Fourth out. We'll beat on it later. Okay, we gotta try to hone this out a little bit. Ooh. Let's see, what diameter is that? Be one of these. I'm guessing it's not that one. That one either. Well, we're getting closer. Must be this one. This one's a shiny one. Needs to get used a lot. Oh, that appears to be the right one. Okay. So this is the external honing machine. It runs by a drill motor. Just like the other machine, but different.
Looks like something out of Star Wars.
Okay.
Oh, okay, now I'm getting it.
Good job, hold that. Hold it. Here's a bunch of molten aluminum on the top of the rod here.
Yeah.
Well, some of that went in the hole. Tighten up the bushing a little bit on me.
Oh.
You gotta free it up a little bit.
Got a clean hole now.
Ain't that clean,
Well, you know.
Clean Get a wristband there. Got a wristband? There's one. There's one that came out of it.
Oh, nice.
A little snug, but it'll work. It's a lot freer than it was. So you can see how out around the bushing is.
Yeah.
See the dull
Yeah.
area? That's where it's not contacting. See how it's all the way on the outside edge here. Then it goes back, not hitting again.
Yeah.
Because the piston is rocking like this and it fires side to side. Probably because the rod's going side to side too, just like everything else. High RPM, it flips all over the place. So the bushing's getting worn a little bit. So you can see the top of the hole is not hitting on the top of the hole. That's where the
Oh, yeah.
That's where the craps come in there and probably eating it up a little bit. You can see how the wrist pin gets a little heat mark in the center there, but not too bad. But I had to beat that out with a big hammer, so now it's a little bit better. Still a little snug for what I want. It's runnable now. Okay, I wanted to make sure that was good. That'd be hard to do by my hand, but I could have done it if I had to. Alright, I think that's it for the machining. So now it's just a matter of beating on it. Where's the vent at? So it appears that it has from impact on, like that. Probably because somebody was beating the living crap out of it on this end, going that way. So it's bowed it.
Really?
Yeah, it's fat on the bottom.
It's fat on the bottom.
She's fat on the bottom. She's got fat bottom.
Fat bottom crank.
So we've got to take a fat bottom remover.
Boy, that would work.
See how much it bows?
Yeah.
Didn't do much, did it? Hello. Hi there.
The art of mechanical engineering. What the hell was that?
We had to wake it up. It was sleeping and it didn't understand I wanted to straighten it. So
That warms up the metal?
yeah, I had to get the new memory going.
Yeah.
See the difference? That was a little worse over there, but this side's not too bad. Same spot, it's high there. And this one here's a lot higher on this side than that side. So now it's time to just get after it like that. Wake it up a little bit. I might have this torque pretty heavy too. I'm guessing probably at least 400 foot-pounds. I think the concussion would have did more damage than good. Gotta quit babying it. This side's pretty good over there. This side sucks. Still sucks. Oh, we moved it finally. It's high here. This one's high over here. Where's my big wedge? See my big wedge? Someplace? Oh, big wedge. Need a bigger wedge. Where's my shim? Yeah, we'll use this one. Oh, that wasn't on top of the table. Need a thicker wedge. These wheels are too small in diameter. I have a thicker wedge. Two wedges. I don't think that one will fit. Okay. What am I doing? Going down. This was high right here. This side was good. I need to twist it. We don't know how much pressure it's going to take to move it though. More than that. That's getting better. That one's getting better yet. Twist is out of it now. No, just a tick. It's right here now. And this one's high, straight on the center it looks like. So it's liking the hit, but it needs a little bit more. So she's in the paint. That one was getting pretty good. This one didn't look like it moved very much. I don't think it did anything.
It keeps moving.
Didn't hit it hard enough. Gotta hit a little harder. High right here. This one's high over here. Now the other one's high on the other side with it. It's 180 apart. Just past center is high. And this one's high just past center here. So this one's high here, this one's high here. That's hard to get out. Crank pin has to tweak. So diminishing returns. That means close enough. The rods seem a little dry though.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it for cranking. Crank rebuild done.
Good night.